Alright, I'm going over the carnivore diet. Okay. What is it? It's a restrictive diet that only includes meats, fishes, and animal food products, so no fruits, no vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds, so on and so forth. Some Here's some foods that are or what it's based on basically right there. So organ meats, poultry, fish, eggs, lard, stuff like that. You can have bone broth, chicken broth, stuff like that. Foods that also are okay that comes from animals would be milk, yogurt, cheese, like that. Foods not allowed on the carnivore diet: vegetables, fruits, seeds, nuts, bread. It's basically anything that's not meat. It could help you with weight loss, but really it's for cleaning out your system, and it makes you where you're specific to one type of food. And if you don't have any other type of food in your house, it's perfect for it because all you're going to be eating is meat. Like Dr. Darren Schmidt said, you don't mindlessly eat chicken breast. It's a very palatable diet, but you don't lick your plate, she says. You also, your body also may go into a state of ketosis for the carnivore diet. Your body's burning protein rather than, or burning fat for fuel rather than carbohydrates. It's not a guarantee though, and it makes you burn more protein and gain muscle that way too. Some health risk is it depends on you approach it for weight loss or to address autoimmune inflammatory conditions. It can vary. Eating only one food group is a problem because you're going to not get vitamin C, not vitamin E from like plants or the vitamins from fruits, stuff like that. Some health risk or some more health risk is you're eating a lot of red processed meats, which can be an increased risk to gastric cancer, but it's very rare. Eating a large amount of protein or a lot of meat protein can also do undue stress on your kidneys. Many experts are worried about the risk because it's so much more saturated fats from fatty meats like steaks, bacon, pork, stuff like that, which is also another main concern with like the keto diet. For like bacon is a staple food for many on the keto diet. It's a fatty meat. While other risks are dietary saturated fats may be debated by some people. The World Health Organization also defines a healthy diet as one that includes every type of food, so carbs, vegetables, nuts, grains, so all foods, and focusing on unsaturated fats like fish and avocado while limiting fatty meats and butter. There are also some potential stress on kidneys, like I said, and you're not going to get fiber, disease fighting nutrients like fiber, and antioxidants, and vitamin C and vitamin E. Should you try it after me looking at it? I'm going to probably try it, and I believe from what I've seen online is you don't go long term with it. You maximum 2 weeks to a month, not even that, really. And that's all I got to say, and here's the references.